Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. Let us look at how best to solve this equation. This Circle Theorem question. We say find EAT. So EAT means that the angle is at X, at A, and let me call it X. So now ABT is a straight line and AB is a tangent. We said that ATB is a tangent. ATB is a tangent, or we simply say AB is a tangent at T. Now we have that AD, a line passing from A to D through the center of the circle. So whenever a line passes through the center of the circle, we say that the angle subtend at the circumference must be 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. So when we have this angle at the 90 degree and this is 65, I can find the angle here, which is sum of angles in a triangle. So I can simply say that angle at D, let me call it Y, is going to be, you can say that Y is going to be equal to 180 minus 65 minus 90 degrees. That should be the value of Y, but I'm not asked to find Y. I am looking for X. So how can I find X? Now, there is one law that says that the value of angle at D at Y, which is D, the angle Y is going to be the same thing as this particular angle here. We call it alternate segment. Alternate segment. Now, let me show you what that is all about. First off, let's find the value of Y. 180 minus 90 is 90. So we have 90 minus 65. 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus 65 is going to be 25 degrees. So if I have that as 25 degrees, I now know that this particular angle here is 25 degrees. Now, sum of angles on a straight line can give me this. 180 minus 65. I'm going to have 571. 115. So the angle here is 115. So the sum of angles in a triangle is going to be X plus Y plus 115 is going to be equal to 180. Therefore, X plus Y is 25 plus 115 is equal to 180. Therefore, X is going to be 40 degrees. There is one more thing I need to explain to you before I go. That is why this particular Y is transferred to this place. Let me explain that. Now, if you have a circle and a tangent, then inside the circle forms a triangle through the tangent. This angle must be alternate to this angle. So what I mean is that if this angle is Y, this angle is going to be Y. How? Because there is a tangent here and a triangle is formed about that point. So this is the reason I concluded that this particular 25 is same thing as this 25. Thank you for being part of this class and have a nice time.